Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our horizontal spreads for a week in May, and I've got the sticker books here as well as this wax paper spread to show you guys. So this week has already come and gone. It's been, a little bit of a rough ride since April, but I did want to show you guys the plan with me for this spread in case you wanted to recreate it on your own at a different time. So I'm going to go ahead and lay in some of these stickers, and the original idea for this was just some kind of diagonal swoosh through the spread. I decided that the spring stickers would be a really good fit for this because I never really know how to work with these. Like there's a couple of seasonal books that came out that have like fall, winter, summer, spring, and they all kind of have a similar feel as far as their seasonal stickers like for decor, and they're all different shapes and sizes and colors, so it'd be really hard to use these all over a spread without kind of making them feel cohesive as one piece. So that's where the idea of kind of creating this swoosh with them came from, because it just is really a little bit more challenging to work with these design-wise if you're going to use a majority of the stickers on one spread and make them look cohesive. That said, I decided to just start laying them in. I didn't want it to be a straight diagonal line through the spread. I wanted it to have a little bit of curvature. So as I was placing them on the wax paper spread, I was trying to keep that in mind, that I wanted it to kind of come up and then down in the middle and then up again as I went into the corner. It ends up not being exactly like it was on the wax paper, which you'll see. It's kind of hard when you're in little pieces and none of them were connected by anything really. So if the stickers weren't touching, it was just me trying to remember exactly where it was on the wax paper and stick it down on the actual paper of the spread. I think I get pretty close, and the rose gold, there's like an extra rose gold fleck that I included on here just to tie in some rose gold, and that way I could use that as my main color scheme. Also, I just thought it added a little bit of extra something to the spread versus just things being laid across the spread. It helps, again, with that whole cohesion thing, making it feel like it's one piece by carrying that rose gold sparkle throughout the spread. Now I'm doing the cross spine stickers, trying to make sure that I avoid the holes as much as possible, so you can kind of see how it's straighter than I had it on the wax paper. So we're going to have to kind of tweak that a little bit as we go. And basically I used, I think, all of the available stickers in the spring sticker book, which is where I got these from. Like I said, all of the stickers in those books, they kind of have the same drawn look to them. So you could recreate this for summer or fall or winter and use stickers that they have in there and kind of create your own little swoosh in any season. If you don't have a seasonal sticker book but want to get something similar going on your spread. You could also use florals. You could also use any kind of set of stickers that are meant to go together and are small enough to kind of weave in and out of each other like this. Will work just fine. I did a spread back last summer that was a diagonal but with ice cream cones, and that was really cute, and they were all uniform in size, but they were small enough that they could be kind of pieced in and create one big flow. I think that's really the key, is that you want smaller items for something like this so that you can have little pieces but create something that sticks together by this whole swoosh idea. Also, those rose gold flecks that I'm using throughout, were actually from, I believe, the Farmhouse sticker book, and they're like pretty large stickers, so I did a bunch of cutting of the stickers to kind of spread it out amongst the flow. I mean, like, I cut a lot, so I think I used 3 large stickers and then basically just kept cutting it up. I focused on the edges first, and then I kind of layered in a couple of the flecks in between the other stickers. So now I am laying in the more functional stickers, which, as I mentioned, I used rose gold as kind of the main color scheme for the spread, keeping everything together so it didn't get too overwhelming. So a lot of these stickers are either from the Farmhouse sticker book, or I think I got the hearts from the Choose Happy sticker book, but I didn't want to add in more color to distract from the main event here. So I think this works really well. It brings in just a little bit of shine and, I don't know, excitement, while being what you would call a neutral for the spread. So I'm laying in the stickers, as you can see, in my normal fashion. I like to stagger things around. I don't like to layer any checklists on top of each other. I like to spread decor on each day if I can, and have a focus box as well when that works out, or a focus area, which is what I think I use mostly on this spread, is just kind of setting aside areas using that sticker of like washi sparkle. That it's actually a sticker, but I kind of wanted it to look like washi, so I just tore it in places so that it would look like the ends were washi, and laid it down as kind of a demarcation of where my focus will be on each day, where it fit. I had my little small victories, and tomorrow is a new day. Just kind of an encouragement that actually really worked out, because that was basically where I was at in my life. Small victories, little by little every day. So that worked out. And now I'm doing some trimming and just making sure everything aligns and is where it's supposed to be. Had a little bit of an issue there with some of the overlap of the rose gold flecks. And I originally had designed this spread for spring. I had wanted to do it in the heart of April, but I had some issues, if you follow my channel, as you know. So I ended up using this for my Mother's Day spread, and I thought it actually had really good Mother's Day feels, because a lot of these things kind of make me think of mom, as far as like gardening and flowers and you know, just the pretty colors and things. So I thought that kind of worked well with the Mother's Day theme. I also added a Celebrate Mom sticker on Mother's Day. I forgot to denote it or pull a sticker for it before I started, so I made sure I added that in, and I think that one was also in the spring sticker book. So that's going to be it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.